Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are bringing something that many of you have requested, a complete review of Claritox Pro. Does it really work? Let's find out. If you suffer from dizziness and ringing in the ears, you are not alone. These symptoms can be incredibly frustrating and seriously impact your quality of life. In this video, we will investigate whether Claritox Pro can be the solution you are looking for. Claritox Pro is promoted as a supplement that can help alleviate dizziness and ringing in the ears, which are uncomfortable and debilitating symptoms. Many people who suffer from dizziness and ringing in the ears face difficulties in their daily activities. Claritox Pro is formulated with natural ingredients, which may appeal to those who prefer more natural treatment options. The product is easy to incorporate into your daily routine, usually in the form of capsules or tablets. If you suffer from dizziness and ringing in the ears, Claritox Pro may be an option to consider, but always do your own research and make an informed decision. I hope this video has been helpful in your quest for solutions to improve your auditory health. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others who may benefit. And of course, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you don't miss any of our future reviews and health-related content. We appreciate all of you for watching and for making this channel a space to share valuable information. Take care, and until next time. Don't forget to check the description below this video, where you'll find a direct link to the official Claritox Pro website. There, you can find detailed information, customer testimonials, prices, and, of course, make a purchase if you wish. Thank you once again for watching and for being a part of our community. Until next time.